Hi everyone, and welcome to the 5-day breathing series, Breathe Before Bed. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a breathing technique that is called 3-part breathing. We're going to incorporate the abdominal breathing, the rib cage breathing, and the chest breathing, so we can take those full, deep breaths with our lungs. Go ahead and get ready, and let's begin. Sit comfortably on the edge of a chair. Keep your back fairly straight and your spine long. Make sure your feet firmly planted on the ground. Take a moment here to settle in, to become aware of your entire body. We're going to begin with abdominal breathing. Go ahead and place both hands just under your navel, keeping your shoulders nice and relaxed. Breathe in and out the nose, allowing your breath to sink down into your abdomen. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep it slow and gentle without creating any tension in your body. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Notice how your chest remains still, allowing your breath to sink down into your belly. Feel your belly expanding into your hands every time you inhale. And feel it relaxing, pulling back in every time you exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. And out. Allowing the muscle of the abdomen relax. Free breathing here. Take a moment to notice how you feel down in the abdominal area. Next, we're going to move upwards. Place your hands on your ribs. Keep your shoulders nice and relaxed. We're going to inhale, allowing your ribs to expand into your hands. Breathing in and out the nose. So go ahead and empty your lungs first. Breathe in through the nose. Breathe out. Breathe in. 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 Breathe out. It's important here to do that without creating any tension. Just keep it slow and gentle. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in, allowing your ribs to expand. And breathe out. Free breathing here. Relax your abdomen, relax your ribs. Quick check in how this area, how the middle section feels. Where you're able to move your ribs as freely as you thought. Notice how your breath expands in your chest area, expanding your ribs. Next, place your hands on top of your chest. Relax your shoulders again. We're going to be breathing in and out the nose, allowing the chest to lift up, feeling all the way to the top under the collarbone. Exhale, allow it to come back. Go ahead and empty your lungs first. Breathe in through the nose. Into your upper chest, even upper back. Exhale softly, allowing it to relax. Your belly and your ribs remain fairly still. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feel the free movement of your upper chest. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep your back fairly straight without collapsing forward. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. And out. Exhale fully. Allow your chest return to normal, relax. And take a moment here to notice what changed, how you feel. Let your hands relax on top of your knees, palms facing upwards. And then we're gonna join the three, taking those deep, controlled breaths, starting from the belly, feeling the ribs and going all the way to the top. Keep it gentle, keep it relaxed, but keep it full. We're going to use our hands, we're going to breathe in into the belly. Keep breathing into your ribs. Feel upper chest, upper back. And then exhale, chest, ribs, and belly. It will naturally pull back in. Breathe in into your belly. Expand the rib cage. Fill up your chest, upper back. Exhale, soften your chest. Relax your ribs. Pull your belly in. One more time, breathe in into your belly. Into the ribs. Full breath, upper chest, upper back. Exhale, relax your chest. Your ribs. And your belly. Rest your hands on top of your knees. Allow your body to soften. Breathe normally. Very good. So if you want to try this breathing technique, filling up the lower part of the lungs, the middle section, the upper part, practice this exercise for longer, or if you feel like you've done enough, this is very good, just 10 minutes out of your day to practice deep breathing, focused breathing, mindful breathing. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you feel nice and relaxed, present. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.